Want to use someone's code on Temu? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. If somebody has sent you their code, then you can easily use it on your Temu app. For that, launch open the Temu app. Make sure to log into your account. If you do not have the app, you can also use the web browser. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on the option of coupons and offers. Now you will find three different tabs here: unused, used and expired. Go to the unused tab. Here you will find a box that says enter coupon code. Tap on that. Now go ahead and simply enter your coupon code over here. Make sure that you enter a valid one. Once you have done that, tap on the apply option. If the code you have entered is valid, it will be successfully applied, and in this way you can easily use someone's code on Temu. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.